In today's video, we are going to show you how to open a synthetic indices account on Deriv. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is go to the official website of Deriv, create an account, and once you do, I want you to log in using your credentials. Now, to trade synthetic indices on Deriv, you need to create a Deriv MT5 account. You can use a real account or a demo account. It's up to you. In this case, we're just going to use a demo account. Scroll down until you find the option that says add more accounts. And what will happen is you need to select a trading account. It's up to you. In this case, I'm choosing a MT5 Gold. All I have to do is click the activate demo account. Enter your password. Click the continue button. And after that, what will happen is you'll instantly forwarded to the section that says your MT5 account has been successfully created. Once your account is ready, your synthetic indices are now available on the symbol. You can now trade volatility indices, crash and boom, jump indices, DEX, and other synthetic markets available in Deriv. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to open a synthetic indices account on Deriv. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.